Hello my dear students, now this is the our fourth chapter part and wholes. Okay, now I hope your idea is clear regarding what is fraction. In this chapter we have to learn about fraction. Okay, it's related with the fraction. So start over here. Our flag, you must have seen the flag of a country. Do you know how to draw flag? Yes, all of you know very well how to draw flag. Am I right? Okay. Draw a rectangle of length 9 centimeter and width 6 centimeter. Divide it into 3 equal parts and complete the flag. So here you have to draw the rectangle with the 9 centimeter. It is like this way. So 9 centimeter and width is 6 centimeter. Okay, now what we have to do? We have to divide into 3 equal parts. It means 1 and 2. So this is my one part, this is my second, and this is the third. 3 equal parts. Okay, and complete the flag. Top 1/3 of our flag is saffron or orange. So over here orange color, you know very well this thing. What is the color of the middle 1/3? 1/3. Why here 1/3 is there? Because total parts we have the 3. From these 3 parts we are talking about one part, either upper one, either down one, either middle one. That's why it's the 1/3. Okay, so total we have the 3. So these things we have to write as a denominator, and we are talking regarding the one part. That's why over here 1/3. Okay, so we know about the flag very well, but in this chapter we have to learn 1/3. Give underline over here, 1/3 of our flag is saffron. It means total 3 have, one part is saffron, middle 1/3 of our flag is a white, and down 1/3 is green. Why it is a 1/3? Here you orange, white and green you know very well from the senior KG. Okay, these things we know, but what things we have to learn over here? 1/3. Why 1/3? Total we have 3. We are talking regarding one parts. That's why it's a 1/3. Understood? Okay. What is the color of the middle 1/3 of our flag? Yes, white. Where will you draw the Ashoka Chakra? Where will you draw the Ashoka Chakra? Yes, middle part of the flag. Yes or not? Over here, middle part of the flag. So here you have to write middle part of the flag. Okay, otherwise you can write in a white part of a flag. Whatever you want to write, you have to give the answer by yourself. See students, I am standing and writing, so don't go with my handwriting, but you have to write with the nice handwriting. Okay, and always you have to use pencil in your textbook. How much of the flag will you color green? How much of the flag will you color green? Here down one. So which one part? One part. Total parts we have 3. So it is the 1/3. Understood? So you have to write over here 1/3 part. Okay. So here you can write 1/3 part. Understood why 1/3? Is the white color now less than 1/3 of the flag? White color is a less than 1/3 of the flag? Yes, it's the less than 1/3 of the flag. Why? Why? Because Ashoka Chakra is in white part of the flag. So you have to write over here Ashoka Chakra is in white part of the flag. Okay, this way you have to write in your textbook, because 1/3 is this much, but here in between Ashoka Chakra is there. So total white parts are less than 1/3. Okay. Now look at this flag. How much of it is black? Okay. How much of it is black? Yes, again 1/3, because in this flag total parts 1, 2 and 3 all are equal. Yes. So how much of black? Right over here 1/3, one part of black, and total we have the 3 parts. Okay. The green part of the flag can be written as a green part, again 1/3. Okay. Is red less than the 1/3 of the flag? Red is a less than 1/3 of the flag? Yes. Why? Same like our flag. Okay. So you have to write, because white emblem, over here emblem is there. So you have to write white emblem is in red part. Yes or not? That's why it's a less than 1/3. Clear? Now, this is the flag of Myanmar, our neighbor. Okay, this is the flag of Myanmar, our neighbor country. Is blue more than the 1/4 of the flag or less? Blue is a more than of 1/4. 1/4, like this way, 1/4. Okay, 4 parts. So we have to first divide into 4 parts. Okay, if here it's okay. Okay, 4 parts. So blue is less than, yes, suppose I am doing exactly 4 parts, then also blue is a less than. Why? Because here also white emblem is there. So is the less than? Yes, is less than the 1/4 part of flag. Okay, understood why it is a less than? See, I am drawing over here, but it is due to white emblem. Okay, over here white emblem is there, that's why it is a less than 1/4. Guess how much of flag is red? How much? It is more than half. Is it more than 3/4? How much red? Yes, it's more than half or 3/4. Yes, it's the more than 3/4, because 1, 2 and 3, and then this much is extra. Yes or not? So it's more than 3/4. Understood, students, why we are writing over here 4? Because in this flag we divided into 4 parts. That's why we are writing over here 4. Okay. Now find out this one we are not doing. Okay, let it be. If you, it's like activity, so if you want to do, then you can do by yourself. Thank you.